The electric vehicle market is moving faster than ever before, and if you have been paying attention to the incredible innovations coming out of the automotive world right now, you know that the game has completely changed. We are no longer just looking at standard cars with batteries placed inside them. We are looking at smart, high-performance, rolling computers that completely redefine what we expect from our daily drives. Today, we are going deep into a vehicle that is shaking up the industry and turning heads everywhere it goes. We are talking about the brand new Lynk Co Z20, a compact electric SUV that is practically rewriting the rulebook on design, performance, and extreme value. If you live in Europe, you might actually know this exact same car under a different name, the Lynk Co 2. But whether you call it the Z20 or the 2, this machine is an absolute masterpiece of modern engineering. It brings flagship features, mind-blowing charging speeds, and a beautiful design into a price bracket that makes you wonder how traditional automakers are ever going to compete. Grab a seat and get ready, because we are going to explore every single inch of this car, from its starship-inspired exterior down to the pure magic happening inside its battery pack. To truly understand what makes the Lynk Co Z20 so incredibly special, we first need to look at its family tree. Lynk & Co is a brand that operates under the massive Geely umbrella. This is the exact same powerhouse company that brings us automotive giants like Volvo, Polestar, and the highly premium Zeekr brand. If you look closely at the architecture of the Z20, you will find that it is built on the exact same sustainable experience architecture platform, specifically the C2 version, that underpins vehicles like the Zeekr X, the Volvo X30, and the Smart One. This is a massive advantage because it means the Z20 is built on a proven, world-class foundation designed specifically for pure electric vehicles. It does not have to compromise on space or performance to accommodate old gasoline engine designs. But while the Zeekr X leans heavily into premium, futuristic luxury, and the Volvo X30 plays the role of the minimalist Scandinavian cruiser, the Lynk Co Z20 carves out its own unique identity. It is designed to be the ultimate urban crossover coupe. It is sporty, fashionable, highly connected, and fiercely competitive. It takes the best parts of its siblings and wraps them in a completely fresh package that appeals to people who want something bold and different without breaking the bank. Let us start by talking about the exterior design, because the moment you lay eyes on the Z20, it demands your attention. This is technically classified as a compact crossover SUV, but its proportions give it a remarkably aggressive and athletic stance. It measures 4,460 millimeters in length, 1,845 millimeters in width, and stands 1,573 millimeters tall. But the magic number here is the wheelbase, which sits at a very generous 2,755 millimeters. What this means in simple English is that the wheels are pushed as far out to the corners of the car as possible. The engineers managed to take the agility and footprint of a smaller A-class vehicle and somehow squeeze in the interior room and comfort of a much larger B-class SUV. You get the best of both worlds, making it incredibly easy to park and navigate through tight city streets, while still giving you and your passengers plenty of room to stretch out on long road trips. The body lines are smooth, flowing, and incredibly aerodynamic, bringing the drag coefficient down to an impressive 0.25c. Every single curve on this car serves a purpose to help it slice through the air and squeeze out every possible mile of electric range. The attention to detail on the outside of this vehicle is just stunning. When you walk up to the doors, you will notice the semi-concealed electronic door handles that sit flush with the bodywork. But the real showstopper happens when you open those doors. The Z20 features completely frameless doors, a design choice usually reserved for high-end sports cars and luxury coupes. This not only makes the car look incredibly cool when the windows are down, but it actually expands the driver's field of vision by about 16%. It makes getting in and out of the car, even on a rainy day with an umbrella, feel much more open and comfortable. And speaking of frameless designs, the side mirrors are also completely frameless, which is just another sleek touch that proves how much thought went into this vehicle. As you move toward the back of the car, the window line rises beautifully toward the C-pillar, creating a dynamic, forward-leaning posture. But the rear of the car is where the designers truly went wild. They created what they call a streamer tail wing. It is an integrated design that combines the rear spoiler and the taillights into one massive, sweeping aerodynamic element. The designers actually said they drew inspiration from the back view of a starship landing on the moon. It looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but it is not just for looks. This specific tail wing design actually reduces aerodynamic drag by 14 counts and increases the overall cruising range of the car by nearly 10 kilometers. It is the perfect marriage of absolute beauty and functional engineering. Now we need to pop the hood, or rather look under the floor, and talk about the immense power and performance this vehicle delivers. If you think a compact SUV like this is just a slow, boring daily commuter, you are absolutely mistaken. In the Chinese market, the top-tier Lynk Co Z20 is equipped with a rear-mounted single electric motor that pushes out a staggering 340 horsepower, which equates to 250 kilowatts of power. It also generates 373 Newton-meters of peak torque instantly. Because it is a pure electric vehicle, there is no waiting for an engine to rev up or a turbocharger to spool. The moment you press the accelerator pedal, all of that power is sent directly to the rear wheels. This allows the Z20 to launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.3 seconds. That is genuine sports car territory in a vehicle that is designed to carry your groceries and your family. The top speed is electronically limited to 190 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for any highway driving situation you will ever encounter. And because it utilizes a rear-wheel drive layout, the driving dynamics are incredibly fun and engaging. The front wheels handle the steering, while the rear wheels handle the power, giving the car a beautifully balanced feel around corners. The suspension system features a McPherson independent setup in the front and a multi-link independent setup in the rear, ensuring that the ride remains comfortable over bumps while still staying firmly planted when you decide to push it hard through a winding road. Of course, performance means nothing if you do not have the battery technology to back it up, and this is where the Lynk Co Z20 truly flexes its muscles. The standard Chinese version is equipped with a 61.47 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. If you follow battery technology, you know that lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, is becoming the gold standard for everyday electric vehicles. While traditional batteries rely heavily on materials like nickel and cobalt, LFP batteries completely omit those elements. This makes them significantly safer, much less prone to overheating, and incredibly durable over thousands of charging cycles. You can charge an LFP battery to 100% every single day without worrying about degrading the battery life. This 61.47 kilowatt-hour pack provides the Z20 with a very healthy pure electric range of 530 kilometers on the CLTC testing cycle. But the absolute craziest part about this battery is how fast it can be recharged. Lynk & Co has integrated ultra-fast 4.5C charging technology into the Z20. If you pull up to a compatible high-speed DC fast charger, this car can take in power at an astonishing rate. It can charge from 10% all the way up to 80% in just 15 minutes. Think about that for a second. In the time it takes you to walk into a rest stop, order a cup of coffee, and walk back out to your car, you have completely replenished your battery and added hundreds of kilometers of range. This completely eliminates range anxiety and makes long-distance road trips absolute child's play. Stepping inside the cabin of the Z20 feels like stepping into the ultimate modern living room. The interior is a masterclass in clean, intelligent, and sustainable design. Gone are the days of cluttered dashboards filled with dozens of confusing buttons. Instead, Everything is centered around two massive, crystal-clear displays. Directly in front of the driver is a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster that gives you all of your essential driving information at a glance. But the crown jewel of the interior is the massive 15.4-inch central infotainment touchscreen that floats right in the middle of the dashboard. This screen is powered by a high-end computer chip and runs the Lynk Flime Auto Smart Cockpit system. This software is incredibly smooth, lightning fast, and deeply intuitive to use, operating almost exactly like a high-end smartphone. Below this massive screen, the center console features a beautifully clean layout with two separate wireless charging pads for your devices. One of them even supports 60-watt superfast wireless charging, while the car also offers 50-watt wired fast charging ports to ensure your devices are never out of juice. The steering wheel itself is a unique two-spoke, flat-bottom design that feels incredibly sporty in your hands, and the gear selector has been moved to a stalk on the steering column. This brilliant design choice frees up massive amounts of storage space in the center console area. The seats are wrapped in a skin-friendly leather material, and the front seats are fully power adjustable, featuring heating, ventilation, and even massage functions to keep you completely relaxed on long journeys. Lynk & Co. also paid special attention to the audio experience, outfitting the cabin with a premium 14-speaker Harman Kardon sound system that delivers rich, concert hall quality audio. At night, the interior comes alive with an advanced ambient lighting system that features an infinite wave effect, allowing you to set the exact mood and color you want. Furthermore, the interior makes extensive use of hard-wearing, recycled, yet soft-to-the-touch materials, showcasing the brand's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing luxury. They want the cabin to be a hard-working, easily cleanable environment that can handle the rigors of daily life with absolute ease. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Z20 is its approach to modern car ownership and the highly unique software features it brings to the table. Lynk & Co. is a brand that deeply understands younger generations and the sharing economy. Built directly into the dashboard is a small physical tag that you can pull to instantly initiate the brand's built-in car-sharing application. This means if you are not using your car for the weekend, you can easily and securely rent it out to other people using the Lynk & Co. network straight from the vehicle itself. It is a completely game-changing approach to ownership that turns the car into a flexible asset rather than just a depreciating piece of metal. And then there are the fun, quirky features that give the car so much personality. Because electric cars are so incredibly quiet, they can sometimes startle pedestrians who do not hear them coming. Instead of forcing you to honk a loud, aggressive conventional horn, the Z20 features a special "hey honk" sound. It is a friendly, customized audio alert designed specifically to gently notify pedestrians of your presence without scaring them or being rude. It is a tiny detail, but it speaks volumes about the thoughtful, human-centric design approach behind this entire vehicle. Safety is another area where the Z20 refuses to compromise. The vehicle is equipped with 7 high-tech airbags, including a massive 53-liter remote double-chamber airbag and a specialized passenger-side airbag system to ensure total protection from every angle. On the active safety front, the car comes standard with Level 2 assisted driving capabilities. This includes full-speed adaptive cruise control, which can automatically maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you, bringing you to a complete stop and starting again in heavy traffic. It features forward and backward parking radar, automatic parking features, and an automatic lane assist system that helps keep you perfectly centered on the road. For practicality, the trunk offers a very respectable 410 liters of cargo space, but if you fold the rear seats down, that expands to a cavernous 1,410 liters of maximum storage space. There is even a small 15-liter frunk, or front trunk, under the hood, giving you a perfect little spot to store your charging cables or other small items. Now, we have to talk about how this vehicle translates to the global stage, specifically the European market, where it is known as the Lynk Co Z20. While the core DNA of the car remains exactly the same, there are a few key differences customized for European standards and tastes. While the Chinese Z20 uses the LFP battery, the European 2 is equipped with a 66 kWh NMC lithium-ion battery. The motor power is also slightly adjusted, delivering 200 kilowatts, or roughly 272 horsepower, rather than the 340 horsepower found in the Chinese version. This setup provides the European model with a very solid 445 kilometers of range on the stricter WLTP testing cycle. The European model still benefits from rapid DC charging, able to go from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes on a 150 kilowatt charger. The reason for these differences comes down to regional market demands, supply chain logistics, and the specific driving habits of European consumers. But regardless of whether it has the LFP battery in China or the NMC battery in Europe, the fundamental excellence of the C2 platform shines through in every single drive. Real-world owners have already praised the vehicle for its incredible efficiency, with many reporting a very low energy consumption rate that proves just how well-engineered the aerodynamic body and electric motors truly are. Perhaps the most astonishing part of the Lynk Co Z20 story is its pricing strategy, which is aggressively shaking up the entire industry. When the vehicle was first officially launched in China late in 2024, it arrived with a starting promotional price of roughly 135,900 yuan, which translates to roughly 18,700 US dollars. Think about how incredible that is. For under $20,000, you're getting a gorgeous 340 horsepower rear-wheel drive electric SUV with a 15-inch screen, frameless doors, and 15-minute fast charging. It completely undercuts legacy automakers and proves that high-performance electric vehicles do not have to be exclusive luxury items for the wealthy.